Skills are really necessary to kill negativities and failures in life. And there are a lot of skills that should be acquired, and it totally depends on a person's need, work, and lifestyle. But there are few skills that everybody must acquire, you must acquire to excel in any areas of life. But what are those skills and why they are necessary? If you want to know, here they are. Let's get started. Hi there, this is Kumar. I'm all about helping people communicate well, build confidence, improve personality, and bring success habits in life. Number one skill that you need to master today and that you need to acquire today is your language fluency and its command. Yes, language is a simple and a vocal tool to express our ideas, emotions, feelings, and different kinds of experiences. And it is only a skill that we are born with. What I mean by that? It is our innate ability to learn any language. But learning a language is not only about uttering some words and sentences. It is more than that. You need to learn and get command over 4 pillars: speaking, listening, reading, and writing of a particular language. If we are well aware of our own languages, we may use it to express our real competence that sometimes people lack due to their poor language command. So learn a language, know it well, and use it the best. Number 2 is communication skills and its mastery. Just as language fluency is important, in the same manner, communication skills and its mastery over that particular language is also important. Knowing a language allows us to express what we have to say in course of any conversations. But getting mastery over communication skills enables us to get the best result out of any conversations. It shows you the way to use a particular language. It's like a bulb you need in a torch, right? That cannot run only with battery. If your language is battery, communication skills is your bulb. If they come together, you get the results, right? So it's really important for you to learn communication skills and get mastery over it. That is more important. And number 3 is confidence building and its power. It is a must practicing a skill. It does matter how much competence and knowledge you have in any fields, but it does matter how well and how confident you feel about your competence and present it in front of others. I know it is something that doesn't come overnight. It needs day in, day out practice, but it can be learned and developed day by day. You just need to be regular with certain kind of things and practice them every single day. Remember guys, today in this world, a person with the best idea is not recognized, but a person with a confident idea is well recognized. So you need to be very confident about what you have so that you may go ahead in life. So start building your self-confidence, your confidence right from here, right now. Number 4 is public speaking and a speech delivery. Do you know what is the greatest fear in this world? You might be thinking everybody fears death. Death is the greatest fear. But you dear, you're wrong. It is not the fear of death people are scared of. Research says the greatest fear in this world is the fear of public speaking, public performance, a speech delivery that people are most scared of. They find it really challenging and difficult because they feel hesitant and nervous while presenting themselves in front of others, be it a large group or small group. But it is not that much difficult people think of. You only need to learn and follow certain tips and tricks. And once you learn and master this art, you start getting a lot of pleasure out of it. So you dear, do not fear, learn it and kill it. Number 5 is personality and public appearance. Yes, you had it right, personality and public appearance. It is the most valuable skill one can master to take his or her life to the optimal level. It is your inner and outer personality full of wisdom. It is something that gives you an appearance in front of others so that you may be recognized with certain kind of characteristics. But it is the most confusing one among young people today. They believe in improving their outer personality, their outer appearance, and undervalue their inner skills that play almost 80% role in their career growth and personal development. So you need to work on both sides, inner personality and outer personality, to get best result out of your life. So improve it and win your life. Ta-ta. If you really like the video and want to get notified every single time a new video is uploaded, do subscribe to this channel and hit the bell icon below.